talk about. And these are tools that, for me, have made, really, quite frankly, when we talk about inner work and transforming ourselves from the inside out, these three tools I use, and you'll see why, I use every day, all day. They have made such a difference in terms of getting the mind to quiet, reshaping your outer experience, and just helping bring about peace. And you'll see that. So let's touch on the first one here, treating life as an experiment. This is a tool that I had learned probably 20 years ago, and I've used it in my own business. I use it even now as we're speaking in this course, right? So I said to myself, I wonder what would happen here if I created this 12-week inner transformation course, and let's create it and see what happens. But this is a powerful way to go through life. And so when you treat life and everything in life as just one big experiment, it does a lot of things, but mostly what it does is it helps dissipate that fear. You go through life without expectations. And the example that I like to use often is, a lot of times we go out to a restaurant. And if we have the expectation that, hey, we're paying a lot of money to be here, especially in today's time and age where everything is just cost a little bit more. I'm paying a lot of good money to be here. I expect to have good service. I expect my food to be near perfect. Expect the waiter or waitress to be attentive. And then what happens if that doesn't happen? You get disappointed, you get frustrated, you get mad, you don't leave a good tip. But what if we went into that restaurant without any expectations? We just treated it as an experiment. Not even that, you just went in without any expectations. And he said, you know what, I'm just going to go out, I'm going to enjoy myself, and whatever happens, happens. I'm going to treat this as an experiment and see what happens. And if you had a fantastic meal, reflect on that. Wow, that was a great experience. If it wasn't a fantastic meal, hey, no harm done. That was an experiment that didn't work out the way I wanted it to work out. And so you begin to move through life in a very playful fashion. If you have a fear of speaking, you might say to yourself, well, or making YouTube videos, you might say to yourself, well, I wonder what would happen if I just produced 5 videos. And I plan for the first 3 or so to just be completely bomb. I don't know what I'm doing. The audio's terrible. The video's terrible. My words, I don't know what to say. But you know what? I'm going to treat it as an experiment. I'm going to just make my first 5 videos and I'm going to see what happens. That's it. Either it's going to go good, it's going to be somewhere in the middle, or it's going to go bad. And that's okay. All of it's okay. Because if it's good, fantastic. We keep moving forward. If it bombs completely, then we take a moment, we turn inward, we self-reflect, and we say, well, that's interesting. I wonder why that happened. And this is how I'm going to improve moving forward. And then I'm going to run another experiment. I'm going to make another 5 videos and see how people respond to those. Or I'm going to post this YouTube video and just be very curious. What's the response? Are people commenting, not commenting? And so moving through everything in your business, in your life, in your relationship, if you have a challenge with your spouse, because this is common to a lot of people, including myself, right, on and off, you say to yourself, well, I wonder what would happen if I just put all my opinions aside, if I just put all of my need to be right aside for a week. I wonder what would happen if I just showed love, if I just showed appreciation, if I just did this and abandoned my feelings of anger or whatever it might be. I wonder what would happen. And then sit back and watch. Same thing with your relationship. Same thing with your work. You might be at work and say, man, I'm working a lot here. I feel underpaid, but I'm too scared to go ask for a raise, or I'm too scared to go ask for a promotion. Well, I wonder what would happen if I just shot my boss an email, or if I just pulled him over to the side, he or she, and said, hey, this is how I feel. I wonder what would happen here, treating that as an experiment. And so you can do this with absolutely everything in your life. You go through life with just extreme curiosity. Now, for me, this is something that's always come natural because I'm a person, I'm a I'm basically like I feel like a gypsy sometimes. I like to just travel through the world. I love travel. I love adventure. I love being curious. I wonder how this works. I wonder how that does that. I wonder how human psychology works. I wonder